Hi. In today's video, I'm going to try something a little new. For those of you who follow me, and thank you by the way for that, you know that the reason I created this channel was to give my viewers a sense of the importance that this amazing art of photography has made on my life, and how it's literally lifted me from the depths of depression and despair. Through my travels in search of awe, I have tried to bring to you, I hope, a little closer to the wonders of nature and this beautiful planet that we all live on. As a physician, medical school professor, father, and grandfather, my passion lies in sharing knowledge. I hope to inspire you to embrace photography, whether that be with your camera or a smartphone, and to discover that awe often resides in that which is familiar. It's my hope that through this channel that some of you will follow my lead, venture out, and capture the beauty of your own surroundings. Now, while I'm usually seeking out extreme climates and adventures, I want to be clear that we can all find awe where we least expect it. I'm obviously a big proponent of learning from the experts, and thus I've been on a journey to improve my skills that has taken me literally around the globe from pole to pole. But utilizing photography in combination with family time can be equally and sometimes even more rewarding and awe-inspiring from a personal, professional, as well as mental health perspective. Recently, I enjoyed a family vacation in Aruba, surrounded by my wife, 4 of my daughters, and their partners, and my grandchildren, for a truly enriching experience. And yeah, I did bring my camera equipment. I'd like to share a little of that with you today, and perhaps hopefully give you some impression and inspiration to go out and capture the world around you. But before I get into that, I want to explain where I am right now. You see, tonight, the Beaver moon will be rising just over my shoulder there. And as a person who believes in science and that the Earth truly is round, I know that in about 20 minutes, weather permitting, that big old moon is going to light up the sky. And with it come a big surge of dopamine in my brain as I click the shutter of my camera. So hang in there, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and let's explore this amazing world together.
The Aruban natives call their island Aruba Tadushi, which in their native language of Papiamento roughly translates to one happy island. My family and I have been coming to this island since my youngest son was in diapers. Now, we had the opportunity to bring the next generation, and the island did not disappoint. Known for its constant breezes, spectacular sunsets, and warm hospitality, Aruba sits only miles off the coast of Venezuela. It consists of a western coast of magnificent sandy beaches, hotels, and calm seas. In contrast, the east coast is a rugged, shaped desert landscape filled with wind-swept cliffs, thousands of cacti, and rocky shorelines battered by rough seas from the constant blowing trades. The island receives less than 15 inches of rain a year, averaging 3 inches, and is considered a true desert island. I was hesitant to take my camera gear with me, but at the last minute while packing, I threw my Nikon ZF, a few lenses, ND filters, and a tripod in my bag, thinking, well, what the hell, you never know. Worst case scenario, I know I'll get a good sunset. November is the rainy season in Aruba, and while this usually means a rare passing cloud and a spit of rain, climate change clearly has affected every part of the world I've traveled. Known for being south and out of the hurricane belt, the first day of our trip we witnessed the formation of a tropical storm, soon to become Hurricane Raphael, just off the north side of the island, just beyond the well-known California lighthouse. As we corralled the grandkids back up to the room, the skies darkened and claps of thunder were heard in the distance, with brief flashes of lightning. Massive bolts of lightning soon appeared just west of the lighthouse, and streams of rain could be seen off in the distance. It all lasted less than an hour, but in the end, boy was I happy I brought my camera. The next few days were filled with family dinners, fun by the pool, floating down the lazy river, book in hand, and participating in water aerobics, something I've always made fun of, but I gotta tell you, it really was a great workout, and the kids had a great time with it as well. On Tuesday night, world events unfortunately crept into my paradise and ruined an otherwise perfect vacation. I was depressed, despondent, and I knew I had to get out and do more than just sit around the pool. So, I did what anybody else would do when the fate of the world is in peril. I rented a four-wheel drive vehicle, grabbed my camera bag and drone. Oh, did I forget to say I brought my drone too? And headed out to explore the rocky, desolate side of the island. I took with me some of the older kids and we went off-roading. We found ourselves traversing massive cacti, rocky desert paths, and we made our way to the eastern coast of Aruba. The ride, although tough on my back and butt, was exhilarating and a fun time for all. We made our way to the natural bridge, which unfortunately had collapsed under the weight of time since the last time I was there, and from more impactful storms due to climate change. We checked out the natural pool, and I got to pull out my tripod and try to capture some awesome waves crashing over the rocks. Later, we made it to the cave systems at the southeastern side of the island, where we got to see up close ancient cave paintings and even some bats. As our vacation came to a close, I thought back to the 4 generations that have come to this island to enjoy each other's company and celebrate family. After traveling all over the globe searching for the perfect picture, I realized that a picture is just a representation of a feeling, a conduit to the feelings of joy and the wonder of life. In those fleeting instances surrounded by family, I rediscovered the essence of existence, the wonder of life illuminated through laughter and connection. The moral of this experience became quite clear. Carve out moments for yourself and embrace the art of photography. It offers us a gateway to witness and feel the light that exists within and around us. Thus, I returned home not just with images, but with an enriched spirit and cherished memories.
I hope you enjoyed my home video. a humble demonstration that photography can indeed enrich our daily lives. The act of holding a camera encourages us to adopt a more observant mindset, fostering a deeper appreciation of our surroundings and the people we cherish. Which brings me back to where we started, on that beautiful beach, waiting for that enchanting moon to rise. And I must say, the experience was nothing short of spectacular. It was so amazing that I returned the next night with my wife. The moonlight danced upon the waves, illuminating the night with a silvery glow, inviting us into nature's embrace. The highlight of this outing was not solely the moon's grandeur, although it was pretty cool, but also the companionship and shared awe I had with my wife. The integration of scientific knowledge regarding the celestial event accompanied with my passion for photography transformed an ordinary event into a memorable family and couples experience. As I captured the ethereal beauty of the moonlit shore, I realized that photography serves not merely as a hobby, but as a bridge connecting us with the universe and each other. With every click of the shutter, we find moments worth cherishing, reminding us to be grateful for both nature's wonders and the loved ones who accompany us on life's journey. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure, subscribe, like, ring the bell, and leave a comment. I really would love to hear from you and get to know you. And make sure you pick up your camera, take it wherever you go, whether it be on a family outing, vacation, an adventure, or just on your way to work. You never know what you're going to come upon. And just having that camera in your hand makes you more aware of your surroundings, the beauty of nature around us, this amazing planet we live on, and the loved ones who make your everyday better. Till next time.